Yeah. Oh man, I'm so happy right now. One thing about my job is sometimes you have to be very calculated, right, with an interview, and you have to be, oh, you're gonna ask this way, and gonna do this that way. But I feel like I've been in a blessed position where I know most of these artists, away from the camera, so I see the things they go through, and I have conversations with them off air. So it's actually never calculated, right? Most of the things I'm asking I'm just straight shooting. And this guy, this brother who I've known for years, who I've been on stage with, is one such example. And I'm mad at him because I haven't seen him in a while. I only see him on stage, and that's a good thing actually. It's a blessing to see him. But when I don't get to see him in person, it's annoying. So we're just gonna rush through this. Then I'm gonna go. Hello, Darko. How you doing?
Oh, Charlie.
Everything cool? Yeah, I heard you have a new album.
Yeah, I just put out a new album, bro.
Yeah, we'll get to that. We'll get to that.
We'll take our
But
time.
yeah, I am mad at you, man. Like, what's going on?
Please
I
don't
haven't
be.
seen you so long, man.
Yeah, Charlie, bro, we've been traveling. You know what I'm saying? I've been traveling across the world. You know what I'm saying? Trying to expand brand Darko vibes into different territories and different domains.
Yeah.
So hence why you haven't really seen me.
So, as I was saying, that's a good thing.
Yeah, I mean, Charlie, bro, I don't have a choice. You know, like in this current market that we are in, which is growing from time to time, evolving, expanding. You don't have a choice but than to do what, than to, you know what I'm saying, also go out there and hustle.
So what we're going to do is we're having a little issue with his mic, so we're going to enjoy one of his music videos. When we get back, we'll get into the album, what he's been up to. And one thing I'm really going to talk about him today is his energy, right? He's a very positive guy. And look at being very positive in a very usually negative climate. So much to talk about. We'll be right back. I was actually doing a live video of you on air.
Oh, they do, yo, this is the do behind the scene right now. You guys, you never see something.
But Darko, that's one thing about you, and I just want us to get into that. Like, the people I've seen you have good relationships with.
Yeah.
It's like this off air, and it's the same on air. Is that just you? Because this is how we talk when I see you in the studio.
Yeah, we normal.
Yeah.
This is your lifestyle.
It's like you're not fronting. And you never...
That would be difficult to do. You know,
really, in a climate where, again, as I was saying, you have to front to sometimes be who you're not.
Oh yeah, I mean I do it sometimes, but that's what I'm saying. That I have days that I front, I have days that I don't have time to front. I just have to go straight ahead. I have days that I'm sad. I have days that I'm excited. I have different days with different expressions every day. And me, I'm not afraid to let anybody encounter them. Some days when I'm bored, you go feel them. When I'm happy, you go feel them.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I keep it real like that.
Yeah, and that's one thing I wanted to start off the conversation with is, I think the last time I spoke to you, we spoke a lot about energy, right? We're being very philosophical about the universe and, being in a good place and avoiding negative energy. And people don't talk about these things, right? It's very important to focus and pay attention to your energy. Now, that's something you do. Yeah. As I was saying, you're in an industry where it can be very negative. It can be very overwhelming. Yeah. I want to know how you're navigating these things, because you've been through some things recently, and it seems like what I saw was that's not Darko Vibes, because Darko Vibes might not usually do this. Maybe he's being pushed to the wall, and I'm going to get to those specific examples. But how are you navigating being who you want to be in such a climate?
Oh, I sleep.
Are you
I
sure?
just sleep. Oh yeah, I just sleep or I'll travel. Yeah, that's why I travel, because definitely it's your environment. So many other times you get lost in the sauce when you stay at a place for too long, and you get, get anxious, you stress out, it becomes tacky, everything becomes monotonous, same thing, same lifestyle, same routine. Yeah. So sometimes I'm like, okay, my environment is not giving me good vibrations right now. Okay. Let me shoot myself to London now, pow, and I'll be in London like in the next 6 hours.
Oh man, I wish I could just shoot myself to London, bro.
I mean, take a holiday, bro.
Oh man.
Take a holiday. Yo, guys, MX, please give Jason a holiday off work. You know what I'm saying?
I'm going to go Bahamas, man.
You know what I'm saying? He needs to go to the States. You know what I'm saying? Drink some Kool-Aid. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. And this
you hear
is...
the accent.
Yeah. It's like the Kool-Aid.
You know what I'm saying?
And this, again, this is the Darko Vibes I love and see on a regular basis. Yeah. Right? But again, I don't even want to focus on this relationship and what you've been through. I mean, I saw you speak on this, what you're going through with Vax and all this. You've spoken about these things.
You guys, you just want to double the dice.
Yeah.
You want to double this. Do you want to use...
No.
But I want to ask you guys. No, but I want to ask the media guys. Yeah. When my guy drops music, you guys never go mention his name, give him support, show him love. But when it be negative things, you put if they mention his name, where you did, and my homie say, it's my bro. Maybe he doesn't know, but I feel like you guys are worrying the business. Because anytime somebody will go online to read press, media, and everything, it's just, you know what I'm saying, negative things. And I feel like, you know what I'm saying, you guys, in as much as it's a social media thing.
Yeah, I get you. And I feel like you're perfectly right? And that's the thing I was actually going to say, that I don't even want to talk about the relationship, but sometimes, you know, in the responses you've given, have you regretted because he is your brother?
Me?
Because you said some things, bro. Or it was like, was it the heat of the moment?
Hey, what did I say that is like, bro, we should even be talking about my album right now.
We're going to talk about...
Right now,
okay.
see
Darko,
this guy, see this guy. I've started, he's here ruining my album and that.
No, Darko.
You're ruining my album, bro.
I'm not ruining the album.
Let's talk about Butterfly. Let's talk about Whiskey. Let's talk about Davido. Chill, I'm coming.
These things have made you who you are.
No, nothing made me who I am.
The things you've been through, the negatives and the positives.
No. Right now, I want us to talk about Butterfly. I want us to talk, guys. So you see my problem. We came that way. I came to talk about Butterfly. I want to talk about Whiskey. I want to talk about Davido. I want to talk about Oxlade that I flew into the country to shoot the music video for tomorrow. We don't have all day on this one, but my man wants us to do a podcast.
Darko, wait.
What you're asking me is a podcast. We can do an MX24 podcast and we'll deal with that.
Listen to me. All these things you've been through, haven't they made you who you are? That's what I want to say. That's what I was going to say to you. The negatives and the positives.
I don't want to talk about that.
No,
today.
we're not
going to talk about that. We did that the last time.
No, but do you accept that they've made who you are?
I don't know what you're talking about.
But you know it.
The only thing, like, you make like a poor, maybe butterflies.
Butterfly, right?
Butterfly.
What was the most difficult song for you to write on Butterfly?
All My Days, bro.
Why was it
It took me 6 years because I recorded that song way back in Malam with my bro Jump Off. You know what I'm saying? That's one guy that really has challenged my sound
and some of those processes, when they're difficult, that's what I'm saying.
No, that's what I'm saying. Like, I want us to talk solely because we have like a few minutes.
That's what we're doing.
I really want everyone, because it's hard out here, bro.
We're looking behind
I really
the
want
music.
you guys to soak my new album, But I Fly. Now, the hardest song on the album, which is All My Days with Whiskey, it took me 6 years. Now, do you know how Whiskey jumped on the song?
Tell me.
That's a conversation I want to have with you.
Yes.
Now, this is something that I lost my mom, right?
Oh, yeah.
I got a call from my kid, bro.
Condolences.
Oh, that's all right. That's many years ago.
I'm sorry.
So do you see the kind of personal conversations I want to?
Darko, we can't talk about the positive.
No, that one
you've been through.
That one I feel like it's going to ruin me personally. I think it will ruin the business for him.
Listen to me, brother. I think you're one of the most honest and positive guys in the industry. But that's why I said at the beginning of the interview, right, that you're putting all these positive things out there.
Yeah.
But without even your permission, the negativity follows. And what I was going to say is, that's why I asked you, these things have navigated and made who you are. Now, to write a song and to focus on a song for 6 years, God bless your mother's soul, all she's been through, losing her, it's not an easy thing to talk about.
Bro.
Some people don't want to talk about these things.
I do.
But you do.
In the beginning, I was like, bro, in the beginning, when I came, I was like, Jason, this album has 17 strong songs.
Unfortunately,
Blood, Sweat, and Tears.
We can't go through all of it. But a song like you're saying,
I'm like, Josh, fastest. I was going to go through fast.
A song like All My Days. You're too international for us to just run through this. That's not going to happen.
No, I don't care. I want you to run through it.
No, but I care. That's the difference.
But right now, you know, Sonny, right now, no, you were jeopardizing all our time to talk about something else. Talk about something else. When I could have just said something short about Wiz.
Listen, Darko. I just want you to understand, right?
Oh, guys, Charlie, listen, want me to talk about Oxlade, though.
Listen, you're going to talk about them. But, bro, I don't want
just know me can talk about my Stelling, no. He doesn't want me to talk about Manifest.
I'm going to leave you to talk about it, but all I wanted to say...
You don't want me to talk about, like, Kim Promise?
Bro, all I wanted to say is that those things you've been through...
You want to talk about that?
Listen.
You don't want to talk about Kim Promise?
We're not
you don't want to talk about Terminator?
We're not talking about that.
Yeah, bro.
But all those things you've been through, right, has led to things
Nothing
like
hasn't led.
Wait.
The only thing that has led me is my album.
Listen.
That took 6 years to build. Trust me.
Listen to me, my brother. I appreciate you so much.
Yeah,
I know.
And then
we have a song together. We actually have a song together. But listen. I'm going to leave you. But now, everything, now you have a song with Kim Promise.
Bro, I've had songs.
You have a song with Whiskey, A Blessing. Bro. You have music with Omar Sterling and R2B's A Blessing.
Manifest.
Everything.
Omar Sterling does not give a verse. I would love for you to say, how did you get Omar Sterling? Because Omar Sterling, they give nobody verse on a global scale.
And it wasn't easy for you to get him, right?
Bro.
It wasn't easy. So tell me about that. That's what I want to know.
Now let me tell you how we did. Now let me tell you how me and Omar Sterling did off the album.
Tell me.
We traveled with Wiz, yeah?
Yeah.
On a sound camp. We went to Kokrobite side, right? It's like 3 days. First night we got there. I want to give a big shout out to Chopsticks.
Okay.
That's the Nigerian producer who he just played a song. Wiz was supposed to jump on. I was like, bro, I have an idea. I ran quickly. I did the idea. Omar Sterling instantly did the melodies. Omar telling if you know, you only do melodies. Then forget.
Yeah.
Forget. You go call him, you don't go hear anything. He
Okay.
sat down, he did a verse for me. We went through the mixing and mastering process. He was there right by my side, like
Crazy.
talking me through, like, bro, the sound needs to be heavy, this part needs to be that, this. And bro, I feel like
that's like a big brother, right?
Bro, and I swear to God, yeah, this is the kind of conversations that I really and truly want to have with creatives. Because I've seen one thing one thing about we Ghanaian creatives is that
Tell me.
I feel like we have inferiority complex, like we don't reach out.
Oh.
And I really want to
explain the reach out.
The reaching out is that, like, say, artists go wake up and talk, say, okay, I they wake up, go spend time for this guy in there, or maybe Jason in the house there to create or to build a relationship or to build a very good rapport.
Do you think it's a self-defense mechanism to protect ourselves?
You see, that's what I want to, I don't even know. That's what I'm saying, that it is, I feel like it is inferiority complex.
Okay.
I feel like maybe, because sometimes I feel it too. Sometimes I can go out there, maybe reach on the international platforms and stuff like that and see some other artists and then feel like I'm not good enough, which is in my mind. Maybe
but you actually might be.
That's
you actually even are, right?
But like, it's my mind, we say, okay, we go feel enter some place, then we day, okay, this is 50 Cent. 50 Cent day, okay, we are sitting in a place, this is Offset.
Yeah.
I feel like we don't, like, anytime I'm with like my Niger bros and they are out there like that, whether artist or exec, A&R, label head, whoever, whenever they're out there, the way they reach out to these other artists and these other folks out there to collaborate with them and to break bread with them and stuff like that. It's something I feel like we don't do, and I feel like we should do more. Okay,
so now let's carry on. Now you have Oxlade. You have Wizkid.
Bro, I want to invite you to the video shoot tomorrow.
I'm going to be there.
Please.
Yeah.
We are shooting at Kokrobite.
I'm coming too. So, Darko, like, come on. Like,
bro, I flew Oxlade all the way from Nigeria to this
Please tell me about how these things, because again, you were saying that, you know, there's a process and that led to Beautifly. Butterfly, sorry. I call it Beautifly. Sometimes
this guy likes booty, bro. This guy likes girls.
Booty fly. But bro,
this guy just sees it, you know, and see, booty fly.
But bro, that's the thing, right? And I know, I get what you're going through. I get or what you've been through. But again, how did these things come about? Was it you reaching out to them? Because bro, Wizkid, Oxlade, even Kim Promise, these names are not easy to get.
Bro, sleepless nights, bro. I'm not even going to lie. Like sleepless nights, traveling, staying up 7. You know, 7. I'll say it again, 7.
In servitude, right?
I'm in service to, especially a lot of people that have like come before me and I've controlled the space. I go to them, I reach out to them, I have conversations with them, and I serve them sometimes just so that they can impact certain knowledges into my head that on a normal day I wouldn't come up with, or I'll have to go and then find out somewhere or read somewhere.
Yeah. So does this album make you feel like you're serving the people?
I really and truly feel like this album isn't really something that I'm serving for the people. The theme of this album is there's enough space for everyone in the sky. It's a form of affirmation for myself and my people. You know, so many other times, like I was telling you, we have inferiority complex. Yeah. We don't feel like we can reach to the stars. We don't feel like we can reach into the skies because we don't feel like we are good enough. You know what I'm saying? This album is something to tell myself that I shouldn't worry about that. Like against all odds.
Exactly, bro.
Against everything that I go through,
all odds. That's
I
what
will
I'm
fly.
saying.
That's what I'm saying.
And you're flying.
So I wouldn't.
Darko,
so
come back to what I was saying.
So I'm saying that the truth is, you said it. But like my point was, I wouldn't love for us to
no. Of course.
Because now I've been doing this press shit. Yeah. Now as on the run, I've noticed one thing. The negative fly more. Like I go to the interview, we'll have a whole conversation about
what the album is
what the
Somebody
album
said
entails, what the album entails, and then the kind of things that we put into making the album. Because I feel like till today, a lot of artists don't even know like into detail how they can even write a budget to send to, you know what I'm saying, whoever is supposed to invest in detail so that they can, you know what I'm saying, work on their projects or on their brands and stuff like that. These are so many things that I feel like we don't have conversations about. And I really, really would love for us to engage in conversations like this, which is going to be almost like a workshop to enlighten each and every artist where they do that, because it also makes the work difficult for other people to work with us.
Okay, so Darko, I'm looking at your album cover, right? And I feel like that's even something a lot of people didn't pay attention to, or maybe you were not asked these questions, I don't know. I see a very big smile, right?
Different moods.
Yeah, different moods. What I paid attention to, you know, as a creative was like, he's smiling, he's in a good place. And again, it comes back to the fact that different moods.
Yeah.
So were these moods what went into the album?
Yeah, they were definitely moods. They were like definitely moods.
Which
like,
mood did you experience the most?
The mean mugging, the ones at the top.
The mean mugging, why?
Yeah, the ones like that, and then the one.
Why is that so?
Yeah, mean mugging, like, bro. You know what I'm saying? We're like excited. We were thinking we are hiding mean mugging. That way, but I fly.
And do you think, I mean, I'm sure you do, but this encapsulates what you want the album to represent? Because I'm sure, you know, with what the moods you're putting on there, some might relate to one right now.
Yeah.
Someone might relate to, I'm smiling, I'm
Yeah.
happy. Someone might be mean mugging because people are saying things about him that aren't true. Is that what like encapsulates?
Well, the truth of this is that you see what they call the frame.
Yeah.
Me, I'm not even going to lie. The first time I saw it came in they sent the images and then it came in that group form, like in that format.
Okay.
When I saw that format, it really struck me. I was like, damn, like, what's this?
Yeah.
Instantly, I took a screenshot of it, and then I made it. But I mean, most importantly, what I was thinking is, bro, we are selling our face. When you are coming to market, we are going to put our music on distribution platforms and stuff like that.
Definitely.
I love all these pictures. I wouldn't want to put some picture over there that is hiding my face that you won't see on a billboard or anywhere. Or that was also other. I was like, no, I like all this. Let me put all of these things together, which captures my essence, my moods. And then let me share with my people. At the end of the day, too, you still see me in there. You know what I'm saying?
Bro, this is what we're saying from the start. Your moods, you're expressing yourself the best way. And you've always been a very expressive artist. And again, that's what it comes back to. For someone who has the albums you have, the features you have, and I want to say it again, from Wizkid to Oxley to Kim Promise to Davido, all these people on your album. Yeah. It's an encapsulation. Omar Sterling Manifest, you know, all, from the beat makers to the engineers to the producers to the writers. None of them can be taken away from what made this album what it is today. And none of the things we've been through can be taken away. But the way you're handling it is what's incredible. It's what's inspiring. Because we live in a social media world. No matter what we do, what we're doing is out there.
I'm not even going to lie. Right? I'll say that the people that I hang out with, it really motivates me a lot. Yeah. You know, my friends, they've been in this industry for way too long. And that's like me. I like to hang around. Like if you want to be better, you hang around people that bring out the best in you. I like that. Now, the kind of friends that I'm rolling with are not the perfect people or are not the best human beings in the world, but they teach me to stay focused. They teach me to, you know, cancel all the noise around me because...
And that's good.
First and foremost, that's not what brought us here. Yeah. The reason why we are here is to sell Ghana, to work, and to follow my passion. That's why me personally, I don't know about anyone else. So I am following my passion. My passion has led me to so many places. So many other times, my ambition has led me to, you know, move on, forget. The mind, the mind's job, that's the mind's job. It wanders. Yeah. My mind is just wandering around. Usually when I don't get the people that are on the same wavelength with me, I don't end up with you. So my friends that I'm with, anything will happen because we're on the same wavelength. They'll be like, bro, what's not happened before? You know things where we here.
That's the kind of people.
You know things where we go through. Yeah. That one said we still day here with it also.
And again, that's what I want to say. Is so that's what made this album.
So me, I don't look.
I like that.
I've never looked at anything.
One question. I think this question might be a bit difficult for you, but if somebody picks up this album today, what first 3 songs do you think they should listen to?
So it's not difficult at all.
Oh, it's not? Okay.
Yes. Feel Your Body. Me personally, right now, the songs that I'm jamming to Feel Your Body.
Feel Your Body.
I'll say My Yard.
My Yard.
With Notes.
With Notes.
And then Side Check with Jupiter.
Why these 3 songs? Like first song. I mean, all the songs they have to listen to, but why these 3 songs first?
So the songs, then change. You see
now the smile is coming.
Wow will be my song. Like Wow was my song for like almost like 2-3 months. Me and Omar Sterling. They changed. With me and Manifest became the favorite.
Okay.
But right now, the ones where if I did town, where I hear, waiting to play, and where I be like, hey, solid, like the mix, the way they hit. Yeah. I want to give a big shout out to, you know, my guy, Kill Beats, for producing My Yard. I want to also give a big shout out to MOG Beats for also, you know what I'm saying, not turning the offer down. Like I brought him a beats from my friend NOB.
Okay.
Because I wanted it to be heavy. You know, the sound was evolving, everything. The sound had changed. So turn it to him, bro. This guy took his time. I had to go to London, follow him to London, catch him, pull him to a studio. Bro, I want to thank him so much. I want to thank Chopsticks as well. I want to give a big shout out to Baba Wood. Yeah. He produced the one with Manifest as well. I want to give a big shout out to North.
Yeah.
North, my brother North.
Brother,
yeah,
man.
North produced mine.
That's your bro.
Yeah.
That's like your bro. Like you see these guys together, we're like, and again, you know, for being together for so many years, and now it's in your most recent album. That has to be a proud moment for you.
Bro,
like,
Jump Off.
Like,
no, but I think the proudest moment for me is the one with Jump Off, All My Days with Wizkid on it.
Okay.
Because I swear, we recorded this one in Malam. You know what I'm saying? And with this record, as we recorded, I was like, bro, it sound like Wizkid on it. That time I didn't even know Wizkid, bro.
Holy smoke.
Yeah, I didn't even know Wizkid, but Jump Off, like, bro.
And you just kept it. Oh,
and then we kept the sound. We kept the sound. And the sound has, like, gone through many hands.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm not even going to lie. And then I played it for Wiz. That was when I lost my mom around that time. I played it for Wiz, a couple of songs. It was like, he had this one. The song was already complete. It's like, bro, this song, you already finished this song. But I like something about this song. It has this album called Sounds from the Other Side. I don't know if you heard the album.
Yeah.
It has a sound, that sound. That, All My Days, the production, the vibration has that vibe.
Okay.
And that one said, we did the song way before Sounds from the Other Side. The head I was like, let me do the Sounds from the Other Side backings on the song, throughout the whole song for you. So he did the backings throughout the whole song.
What? Bro,
and that's one thing that's really personal to me.
Please tell people, you know, again, we've spoken so much, and I love these conversations because, you know, everybody's different and everybody's trying to understand somebody. And the thing is, we have to always try to meet each other halfway, even if we disagree, because we're human beings, right? Tell people something. I don't know if this is in your heart, if you've thought about this album. Why should they listen to it? Why is this one of your favorite projects? Is there anything you want to add before you leave me today when it comes to I Fly?
First and foremost, I would say a big thank you to everyone that has been supporting Darko Vibes and has loved Darko Vibes. So many other times, people don't understand Darko Vibes. Me, myself, I don't understand Darko Vibes. We are still evolving. We are still trying to be the best part of ourselves as possible. Yeah. We are humans. I came into this business with no knowledge, but the kind of knowledge that I'm learning right now, I'm so proud of. It's almost like I'm in school all over again, which I'm excited for. You know what I'm saying? Apart from the fact that I'm passionate about it, I'm actually really understanding it right now, and I love it. I'm saying this to say that each and every one of us should really and truly mind our own business, because so many other times, this life is really hard. It's really and truly hard to actually make it or to even survive. You understand? So if you have something that is helping you, that is like giving you money, or is bringing you peace of mind, I feel like you should mind it more. Focus more, understand it more, because you find your purpose in that. Else, you'll be depressed, you'll be stressed, you'll be unhappy. You know what you are doing with yourself, because, you know what I'm saying, you're not minding your own business. Always like, it's like going online every day on social media is a way that when I go, I'm like, oh, I'm not minding my own business right now. Because when I go online, there are so many other things I'll see. I'll see Nyash, I'll see my guy pull up in the new range, I'll see some guy taking a road trip I'm like, why am I not taking this road trip? All these kind of things. So mind your own business, bro.
God bless you, man.
Thank you so much.
God bless you.
Next time I'll come early. We have to do like a podcast.
Bro.
Me and Jason, we actually need a podcast.
Yeah,
we need a podcast.
It's gonna be lit.
We need to have a conversation.
Right,
this one is too short. It's not fair.
Okay, so MX24, we have our music fest coming. I'm hoping you can pass through.
Oh, please, all of. Some
we'll talk. This guy, one of the biggest, one of the favorite artists.
Some BB.
Oh, yes.
Logistics.
Yeah. Oh, bro, come on, it's you.
But me charge more. Listen, 200,000.
Okay. Thank you so
on
much.
live.
I have to let him go.
Please let this one trend. Let this one trend.
I'm shaking you up, my brother. Guys, one of the most best conversations I've ever had. We'll see you.